What's good, man? It's y'all boy, Curly Cody, man, with my first video ever uploaded on this channel. You know, I'm about to just do like a little weird noise next to some strangers, see how they react. We gonna do this at like Meyer, Target, Walmart. I don't even know yet, but we about to do it somewhere. But right now, I'm at my friend's house. We about to just do some. He's already down to record. I already told him, so he's done to record. He's about to come in the car. And I'm about to just get this video started with real quick when we get him, and then I just hope I can make you guys laugh. Ready for this video, man? You ready for this video, man? Tell me what we about to do. Tell me what we about to do.
I'm gonna go to Walmart. You feel me? Gonna make a little video. Y'all just need to tune in. Y'all gonna see.
Oh God.
I'm gonna
No, you feel me? We about to relocate. We about to go to Walmart now. This place wasn't even really that packed for us, so we about to just go somewhere else.
Good looking. All right, me and my server.
Damn.